Resume. Good afternoon, everyone. Court will resume with the Act for 26-2022 docket. Okay. Let's see who we have here.
Number 2, Maria Huerta.
Number 2, Maria Elizabeth Huerta. What's going to happen here? It'll be a plea. Okay.
We need Miss Chantel.
All right. Oh, yeah, we need Chantel. Thank you.
She just logged on.
And good afternoon, Ms. Del Bosque.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
It's going to be a plea, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Maria Elizabeth Huerta.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me get Maria Elizabeth Huerta. There she is. And there's Mr. Lozano. There he is. Okay. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, you
She
can put
also
your,
has number 7.
you can put your hand up. Okay, she's got what, 2 cases?
Yes, Your Honor. 2 cases.
All right. And I believe it's going to be a plea on both of them?
Yes, Your Honor. For the record, it's CR 19-14356D and CR 21-02605D.
Correct. Correct. Okay, 2 cases there, Ms. Huerta. CR 19-14-356D, failure to ID, Class B, misdemeanor. CR 21-02-605D, assault, Class A, misdemeanor. On the Class B misdemeanor, the potential penalty can be up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. On the Class A, the penalty can be up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that for each case, you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those 2 rights?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendations after you give your plea?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily on both cases?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
State offers plea documents and offense reports to States Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal, States Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 3914 disclosures of States Exhibit 3, waiver of risk and needs assessment of States Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court and stipulate that the evidence has been submitted to the court is sufficient to corroborate a plea of guilty.
Your Honor, no objection, so stipulated.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged on both cause numbers. And recommendations, do they happen to be identical or not, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, they're going to be time served for both.
Okay, the first one, CR 19-143-56D.
The state recommends a $100 fine, court cost 180 days, Hidalgo County Jail, credit for 180 days.
Waive the fine and court cost. That'll be a time served. And then the second one, CR 21-02-605D. Yes, sir?
The state recommends a $100 fine, court costs 318 days, Hidalgo County Jail, credit for 318, Your Honor.
All right, and because of the time in jail, court will once again waive the fine and court costs. Therefore, 318 for 318, it'll be a time served for that one as well. Is that all, Ms. Del Bosque?
That's all I have, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You may be excused. You may be
very
excused, Ms. Huerta. Time served for both of them, okay?
Thank you.
That'll do it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, bye-bye. Yes, ma'am, bye-bye.
Lucy Regalado's connecting. She has number 15 and 16.
Miss Regalado is connecting 15
There's
and
a U.S. Marshal,
okay, wait a minute.
Armando Aldape.
Is he on or is he going to be in jail or no?
I don't know.
Armando Aldape. And there he is, Armando Aldape. All right, Mr. Regalado, there you are.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I couldn't hear what you had just asked.
Everybody.
Okay. Let's see, Miss Regalado, can you hear me? You need to put. I think we need some volume.
I think he's asking my lawyer. Yeah.
Yeah, we're waiting on the lawyer. I can barely hear you, man. I don't know if it's the volume or you happen to be parked under a tree or something. Or Ah, now I see another angle of this. Revelado. Revelado.
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Now I can. Now I can.
Okay, I don't know why it's not very loud, Your Honor.
Do you have another anything else that is turned on? Anything else that is turned on? Because I'm getting feedback.
Okay, Judge, can you hear me now?
Courtroom, let me mute the courtroom.
Okay, yes, ma'am, I can hear you now. We're gonna mute the courtroom now. Okay, there it is. Okay, and your client is Armando Aldape, and it's gonna be a plea on both cases?
Your Honor, we did get a plea recommendation. I think by now the state probably sent me discovery. I didn't have it as of Tuesday. And I do suspect that this will be an agreement, but we are not signed up. So I'm asking for a brief reset.
Okay, you're not signed up. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. What's it, Monday?
Monday.
Monday, 2 p.m. Monday?
Yes, Your Honor.
Monday, 2 p.m. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, Judge.
Not the 31st? The 31st. Monday, 2 p.m. Okay, Mr. Aldape, we'll see you later.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
May I be
Yes.
excused?
Yes, ma'am, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. What are you gonna do?
Number 13, Jose Luis Limon.
Jose Luis Limon.
Abiel Flores.
Mr. Flores, there.
I don't know if
Good
he's-
afternoon, Your Honor. Abiel Flores for the defendant. He is present there in the courtroom, Judge. On this, in custody at the jail. On this case, Judge, I did receive a recommendation from the state. I have not had an opportunity to relay that to the defendant, Your Honor. I was just appointed on the 21st, and so I haven't had a chance to talk to him. I don't know if I could put that right now and relay it to him right now, Judge.
Oh, okay.
Because he needs to sign the paperwork if he is gonna.
I'm sorry.
He needs to sign paperwork if he is.
Who, the defendant? Okay. You want to relate that to him right now, or what'd you say? I'm sorry.
Yeah, just the recommendation is that it's a 15-month probation. And so I'm going to go and talk to my client, and I don't think that'll be a problem signing him up. If we can maybe get a reset for 1 week.
We can do Monday.
We can do Monday.
Would it be in the afternoon, Judge?
Yes,
Monday?
at 2 p.m.
Yeah, Monday, 2 p.m.
Okay, that'd be perfect, Judge.
2 p.m. Plenty of time to get ready for Halloween, man. Monday, 2 p.m. Okay, so for Mr. Limon, Monday, 2 p.m. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir, Mr. Flores. We'll see you. What do you want to do?
I have Eloy Garcia. I don't know who he's been.
Mr. Garcia, good afternoon, sir. Which is your case?
Jason Gonzalez, Your Honor.
Jason Gonzalez. Right. Let me look for. Oh, yes. Number 8. We have Lauro Trejo.
Lauro Trejo was appointed, Your Honor. I filed the motions to substitute
Okay.
and all of those documents, Your Honor. I was retained by,
It's a plea. It's a plea, Joe.
Okay, and it's only one case for Mr. Gonzalez? Only
yes,
one,
Your
right?
Honor.
It'll be a plea of true, right? Motion to revoke?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Jason Martinez Gonzalez. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand out. CR 2207007D. Once again, Jason Gonzalez. This is a revocation proceeding whereby the adult probation office and DA's office are both alleging that you violated your probation. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that if the court does find that you did violate your probation, that the court may sentence you to the full amount of punishment that was probated back then when you pled guilty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Has your attorney explained to you what are the conditions of probation that you allegedly violated?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand them all pretty well?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, sir? True or not true that you at least violated one of those conditions?
True.
And are you pleading true freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
State offers waiver of rights, consent to stipulation of evidence, and plea of true to state's motion to revoke. As State's Exhibit 1, state also requests defendant stipulate he is the same defendant that was previously placed on probation.
No objections, Your Honor, and so agreed to and stipulated.
And without objections, so admitted. It'll be the finding of this court that Jason Gonzalez did violate probation in cause number CR 22-07-007D. Recommendation state.
Your Honor, the state recommends a $100 fine, court costs 65 days, Hidalgo County Jail, credit for 65.
Court will hereby waive the fine and court costs because of the time in jail. And so therefore it'll be 65 days in jail, credit for 65. It'll be a time served. That'll do it, Mr. Garcia. Your excuse. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. That'll do it, Mr. Gonzalez. Time served. Thank you. Time served.
Number 12, Ms. Alia Vasquez,
Okay.
Ignacio Escalante.
Number 12, Ignacio Escalante. Only one case?
That should be a plea, yes.
It'll be a plea, right? All right, Ms. Vasquez, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
All
Alia
right.
Vasquez for the defendant, Judge.
All right, good afternoon. And we have Ignacio Escalante, CR 22-103-22D. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Who are they talking to? Oh, yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down now. Your charge, DWI, Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give a plea?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right. State.
State offers plea documents and offense reports to State's Exhibit 1, notification, certification of defense right of appeal, State's Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 3914 disclosures, and State's Exhibit 3, waiver of risk and needs assessment, and State's Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court and stipulate that the evidence that has been submitted to the court is sufficient to corroborate a plea of guilty.
No objection, Your Honor. So agreed and stipulated.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. In a recommendation, state.
State recommends $300 fine, court costs 180 days, Hidalgo County Jail, probated for 10 months. The mobile alcohol monitoring device for 5 months, alcohol class, 180 days, Texas driver's license suspension, MAD impact panel, and 30 community service hours, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Vasquez, is that the understanding, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. However, we do have some requests for consideration if the court will entertain that.
Sure.
Your Honor, we are asking for some consideration in terms of the fine, court costs, and community service hours. My client is indigent, Judge. He's homeless right now. And it would be rather hard for him to be able to meet those conditions of the court. Additionally, Judge, we are asking that any Texas driver's license suspension run concurrent with the administrative suspension.
Okay, and that'll be on the judgment that if any suspension is out there, it'll run concurrent within the administrative suspension. So that'll be taken care of. Court will hereby waive the community hours and also the fine and court costs because of the time in jail. He's done about 12, 13 days already.
Yes, Your Honor.
So,
Thank you.
so that'll be the judgment, 180 days in jail, suspended for 10 months probation, and then everything else, the alcohol classes, the suspension, the med classes, and the monitoring device for 10 months. Okay,
Yes,
that'll
Your
be the judgment. You may be excused, Mr. Escalante. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ms. Veronica Martinez, she has number 18 and 19. Brian Rodriguez.
18 and 19. That'll be Brian Rodriguez.
One is gonna be a plea.
Right. Is it going to be a plea on this
No,
one?
Your Honor, I received this recommendation from the state yesterday. However, the recommendation is for the maximum 365 days in county jail. So I just need some more time to maybe staff this case. to
Okay.
Yeah, next Monday.
You want to do Monday, 2 p.m.?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's do Monday, 2 p.m. Monday, 2 p.m. on CR 22-103, 88D and 89D. Both of them, Brian Rodriguez. Okay, reset for Monday, 2 p.m. Okay? Thank you. All right, we'll see you, man. Your excuse. Have a good day.
You as well.
Palacios is permitted. He has several.
Okay.
He's got number 4.
All
Same
right.
individual.
But are there different
Number
names?
5, number 6. Same individual.
Oh, same individual. Okay. Okay, Mr. Palacios,
Number 17.
Now, Mr. Palacios
Good
needs to
afternoon,
join me. All right, Mr. Palacios, let me see here. You represent Mario Salinas Garza, right, sir?
Yes, Judge, I do.
He's got 1, 2,
Number 4.
okay, 4,
He has,
Number 6.
4, 5, and 6.
And number 17.
4, 5, 6, and 17.
Mhm.
All right, and
That's
17. All right. And what's going to happen with his cases, Mr. Palacios?
Judge, I still need some more time to talk to the state. I got 4 cases and 3 plea paperwork with 3 offers. So I'm assuming that they're going to want to give me 4 offers with 4 paperworks, and I'm
Okay.
still lacking discovery on all 4.
Okay.
So
and
I guess if we could have maybe a week or 10 day setting,
Monday.
and we should be able to take care of this.
How about Monday at 2 p.m.? That's about, well, that'll be on the 31st, right?
That should be fine, Judge.
Monday 2 p.m. Let's try doing it the Monday 2
I'll
p.m.
go with Mr. Lozano. We should be able to knock this out getting out.
Okay. All right, Monday 2 p.m. for all cases regarding Mario Salinas Garza. Okay, sir. It'll be
10:31.
Monday 2 p.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, yes, sir. That'll do it. You may be excused. Have a great day.
And have a great day.
Number 14, Mark Anthony Barrientos.
Number 14. Let me see here. Mark Anthony Barrientos.
Juan Alvarez in for Melissa Canales, and he's connected.
Okay. Number 14. That'll be a plea jail. I'm sorry, state.
It's an announcement.
Oh, announcement. Let me wait on Mr. Alvarez.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Alvarez. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Judge.
I think you're here on Mark Anthony Barrientos, CR 22-103-29D.
That is correct. My office spoke to my client, Mr. Barrientos. He's going to take the recommendation. We just need a short reset so I can sign him up and get him played out, Your Honor.
Monday 2 p.m. Monday 2 p.m. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Monday 2 p.m. All right, that'll be a recess. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. Likewise, Judge.
If staff can call Monica Galvan.
Staff, can you please call Monica Galvan?
Yes, sir.
No, I know. Yeah.
Sunny. And Sunny.
Okay, number 3, Jesus Perez, he is in quarantine, has chickenpox. So he'll be in quarantine for 21 days.
Put in the record.
Number 3.
Okay, for the record, CR 20-08-183D, Jesus Oresti Perez, quarantine for what, 21 days?
Yes.
21 days.
We also need Reggie.
So he's not going to be around.
Reggie has number 9.
Yeah, we need Reggie Richardson and Monica Galvan.
Okay, I just made contact with Ms. Galvan's office, and they're going to call her and ask her to log in.
Who's that?
That's a victim
Oh, okay.
on Monica's case.
Okay. Okay, state for the record, there's a Connie still in the waiting room. That must be one of your witnesses, right?
I believe she's a victim for the assault case for number 10.
Reaches on. Well, anyway, here comes an attorney, Miss Richardson. Which is her case?
Number 9.
Number 9. Only one case?
She if it has a felony, but it's out of a different transaction.
Okay, Miss Richardson, can you hear me? And we're talking about CR 22.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry. My computer reset itself.
All right, good afternoon, ma'am. Your case, CR 22-10-066D, Araceli Coronado.
Yes, Your Honor. I did call your court office this morning to inform your staff that she does have a felony aggravated assault, and it is the same alleged individual that she's accused of assaulting in this case, Your Honor, before you, and it hasn't been indicted.
Okay, and so we're not ready for a plea on this one?
No, Your Honor, and I had tried to notify your court,
Okay.
but it's
So you
it is the same. I went through it, and it's the same alleged person.
Okay, let me get you a date here for a pretrial.
We can do the September 14, but if
Of course. It'll be way down the line, September 14th. What time?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. However, pretrial, September 14th, 9 a.m. However, if you do work it out earlier, a lot earlier, please let the court know. We'll bring you in.
Yes, and I'm sure we'll resolve it, Judge.
Okay, just
We'll
give us a
inform you.
call.
Thank
Just
you,
give
Judge.
us a
May I be
call.
excused?
You may be excused. Thank you, ma'am. And
Thank
so
you.
may Coronado. Thank
Your
you.
Honor, that's all we have for the female section. May we be excused?
That's it.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very
Thank,
much.
thank you.
Okay, waiting on attorney Monica Galvan. Right?
On Reggie's case,
Mhm.
Rachel's telling me that the felony is out of a different transaction and she has a PR bond on the felony.
Okay,
I
but
don't
she's,
know if Mr. Lozano can verify that.
but I think she's saying that it's the same, two different
But
charges,
she has
but
a PR bond.
but
on
it's
the
the same
felony.
the same victim. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we're waiting on Huna on Monica Galvan. I'm sorry, you want me to ask the state something?
I guess on Reggie's to see if it's the same victim.
Okay,
Because if she has a PR bond on the felony, our case is only
okay. I forgot the
number 9.
Number nine. Give me a number. Give me a number. All right, number 9, state. That'll be Araceli Coronado.
Yes, sir.
Which is her felony case?
Her felony case is an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon that's currently at intake, Your Honor.
Oh, intake. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Does she have a bond on that one?
Your Honor, she has a $5,000 PR bond
Mhm.
on the felony.
On the felony. Okay. Then we should give her a PR bond as well. Do we prepare one? $1,000 PR bond?
We can do it. We just need the name of the victim.
Right. You have a name of the victim for my case here?
1 second, Your Honor. Let me go ahead and pull that up.
Okay.
I'm showing Manuel Benavides, the third.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Manuel Benavides the third. So then it'll be a 1,000 PR bond with no harmful contact with Manuel Benavides. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Yeah, if she's got a felony case, a PR bond on the felony case, then we should give her a PR bond on this one.
She's been in jail 21 days.
Right. Been in jail 21 days. So we can do a 1,000 PR bond, but no harmful contact with Manuel Benavides the third. Okay, who's gonna prepare that bond?
Rachel.
Rachel, okay. Did you hear that, Rachel?
Yes, sir.
We'll do a 1,000 PR bond and no harmful contact with Manuel Benavides the third.
Okay.
Okay, waiting on Miss.
Monica Galvan.
Yeah. She's a witness for which case?
For that one, Monica. She's a victim for the assault case, number 10.
Number 10. Ten 11. And number 1, right? 1 10 11.
Yes.
1 10 11. Okay. All right, waiting on Miss Monica Galvan to check in.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Your Honor, just for my information, I have Adan Silva. He wasn't hurt. We're just wondering, was he reset by any chance, or you're just waiting on it?
We're waiting on the attorney, which is supposed to come in any minute now. That we got a phone call from her.
Okay, Your Honor.
So yeah, Adan Silva. Okay.
No, no. Monday, 2 p.m. Okay. All right. Court will continue here with the October 26th, 2022 docket.
What we're gonna do in this case is we're gonna go ahead and reset it for 2 p.m. Monday. Adan Silva, CR 1909, 370D. CR 22, 10067D. And CR 22, 10068D. Yeah, we'll go ahead and reset it for Monday. That'll give the state and the attorney some more time to talk about the matter. And I think there's an individual, Connie Silva, who might want to testify or something. She may be the victim. She needs to contact the DA's office anyway. So we'll reset it for 2 p.m. on Monday.